This is how we do IT. It's fast-paced, real-time, head-down work. And Big is here every day to make it happen, so you can focus on the mission of your company. We make it happen by proactively monitoring our clients' environments to maximize uptime. We identify network problems before they impact business functions and productivity. We'll gear up and put out the fires, keeping your business healthy, secure, and running efficiently. We make it happen by supporting and customizing ERP systems for the construction industry. Our team of dedicated developers and consultants implement, train, and customize so you can complete projects on time and on budget. We make it happen with wireless technologies by building, installing, and maintaining large indoor and outdoor wireless networks for data and voice over IP. We make IT happen. It's what we do. It's how we work. It's who we are. Big.